Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Google form for attendance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website that you want to open up, and it's going to open up this Google Forms homepage where we can get started. So in the upper right corner, we can get started signing up for a Google account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally, and once you have logged in, now we can get started. So by logging in, now we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at the forms we have already created right here and so on. And basically guys, there are a couple of ways we can do so if you want to make a form for attendance. Basically the way I suggest is using a template. The template gallery is right here that you can open up, and these are already pre-made forms that look very nice and have their questions already made. And what we can do is go ahead and find some similar ones such as for work, where you have your work request and so on. But basically guys, the RSVP is the attendance option that you can basically use, or a party invite, whichever you prefer. As you can see, you even have an event registration. Depending on which option you want, you can choose this one right here, because it's going to ask people if they can attend, what are the names of the people attending, and so on. Basically you can use a pre-made form right here that you can then go ahead and manage however you want. You can give it your own name, you can ask your own questions and so on to get started with using it however you prefer. If you really want to create your form from scratch, then you can just click the blank form option right here. That's going to enable you to give your form a name. You can ask your questions from here, you can add your images, options and so on to get started. Then you can publish this form and send it to people. But yeah guys, basically that's how to get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.